Today's date, March 28th, 2023. And so we're halfway through this project. I've got the whole slab out here, driveway, all cleared out. And what we're going to do next is put the cover on, which is right here. So, but it's kind of windy. So what we were debating is whether we should anchor these. We can put some, use a rotary hammer and just anchor these. You know, put all of these right here, because the wind gets pretty hectic. And what we're doing right now is waiting for the wind to die down, which is around 6 now, 6 or 7. So we're gonna probably maybe go get some bolts and we'll anchor this down and then put the cover up. So anyway, that's the update. And it's about 3:30 right now, so we're still waiting for the wind to die. You can see it comes in pretty hefty gusts. So oh, this is our other project. Is so we're using a 100-watt Harbor Freight solar panel, and we're putting a reverse bias across because these will put out 20 volts, and we're putting on a reverse bias on the batteries to see if we can get a little better recovery from them. So right now they're holding about 11.3 volts, and these other ones up here, we've been able to bring them up to 12.9 and stay static at 12.3 after 5 or 6 days. So just by using one day of the panel to reverse, put a reverse bias on the batteries. So other than that, that's the March 28th update. Okay, this is a continuation. The clouds are moving in. We got the back wall in, and we got one anchor that we put in here. This is going to be our reference over here. That's going to be the reference, and then once we get this all squared up, then we're putting these anchors in, you know, right there where the, let me get it in there, right there where my toe is. And this most likely will be the structure we'll use for the first band practice here at Will's garage. So that's in for today. I'll pick the ball up tomorrow so we can have a complete video. Today's date is March 30th, 2023, and today is Thursday. But what I wanted to show was we got the anchors in all the way around. We got the one in there, but we're going to call the game today because of, as you can see, the clouds and everything. It's going to rain and the wind is blowing, and we're just going to get this done. So I just got through doing that. We got the garage door to clear that. So it looks like tomorrow we'll be putting the cover on. Today's date is April 1st, 2023, and it's Saturday, and the wind is picking up, but nonetheless, I'm going to try and get the this cover on. So if I can get it over the halfway point up there, I got to cut the rods to go through on the bottom, and I think I already pointed out we anchored this down. So these bars are intended to hold that in, so it looks like to really seal it, we'll put sandbags around. So anyway, I'm going to try and creep my way over the top of this, and then I'll be able to suck all of this stuff up. So that's what's happening on Saturday, April 1st. Okay, well, I was able to do that by myself, so now it's just a matter of bringing this all together over here, putting these cross pieces in, and that'll keep the wind from taking it off again, and then I can do the end pieces. So I'm happy about that because it's been windier than heck. So anyway, we're close to that. I'll have a mock-up of the PDE coming up here. So anyway, that's what this is all about, and I'll be back. Okay, well, I finally got it together. I was able to put the cover on by myself, so that was an accomplishment. And this has officially become the PDE test facility. So the actual testing will be done over here. This is going to be the engine assembly building right here. So it's 200 square feet. Let's see what's inside. Hey, we already got a chair in here. Let's keep the wind out. There. All right. So there we go. I don't have lighting in here. I'll probably put a couple of electrical boxes on the things right here, and get a overhead light, maybe a couple overhead lights. So this is going to be you know, a general purpose table. It's not much to work on a jet like this, so this is just mocking up right now. I don't have everything I need to get this puppy going. So that's what coming out here was all about, is to integrate all of the parts. This right here, this isn't an HEI, this is a points distributor. That's what's going to be driving the fuel injector for this. The HEI is right here, and that'll be firing up with, you know, multiple electrodes in the engine once it's up and running. So I'm real happy. I got this all ready, and tomorrow we'll I don't know about tomorrow, Monday we'll be starting to put something together on this. So this is a close on building the temporary, or the car cover / PDE test facility. So until then, we'll see you again.